By the end of this video, you'll be able to create this kind of website, portfolio website. As you can see, it's talking about contact us and the rest. So create a new folder. I'll call it web design. So in this folder, I'll have my images. So I'm pasting my images. Now check the video description of this video. You should see the images. So create a new file, index.html. So save it in that your folder, web design. So another one, style.css. Save it in that same folder. So shift 1 to give you your basic HTML document. Then the title should be Godwin Odenema Portfolio. That's the title I gave it. They want to link our HTML to our CSS. That is style.css. So you type the name of your CSS in that your link rel style sheet. So we're bringing header, class, profile. We're giving the profile a class name which is profile. We're bringing our image, img sroc. So the folder, the image we are bringing is profile. You can see this image, profile, profile.jpg. So h1 we're bringing Godwin Odenema. We're bringing a paragraph, web developer. So stroke UI UX designer. Okay, so go to your style.css, then body, font family should be Arial and sans serif. Then the margin should be 0, padding 0, background should be this color, hash F4. Then the text align should be center. So open your work with your Chrome editor, with your Chrome. So this is what I've done so far. Okay, so let's call our header. So the header, I want to give it a background of this color code. So just type it the way it is. So we'll be giving the color of white. The padding should be 30 pixels. So refresh, you can see what I've done so far. Now let's call on a class which is profile img. So I was supposed to put a dot before the profile. So width is 120 pixels, height is 120 pixels, border radius is 50%, border 4px solid and color white, margin button 10 pixels, refresh. Okay, it did not work, so we have to put dots. Since we are calling the class, put dots, profile img dot. I'm putting dot in that place there. Dot before profile, so dot. You can see what I've done so far. Okay, so this is just the header. So we put an image there, and the image is in my folder, which is profile.jpg. Okay, so let's call on that section. Let's bring a section rather. So this is on that section. So h2, my work. So I'm giving this section a class, portfolio. So I'm talking about our portfolio in this section. Okay, so h2, my work, div, we're bringing the div. So the div is like a container. So in this div, we're giving the class name is work item. Okay, so img, we're bringing an image here. So the name of the image is project1.jpg. So I'm giving an alternate that in case that one did not display, should display project1. So I bring the paragraph. The paragraph, what should be displayed is HTML&CSS website 1. So save and refresh. You can see we have brought our image, and you can see our image from our folder. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and leave a like and also leave a comment. So we're bringing on that div. So we're giving it a class of work item in that same section. So img sroc project 2, that is the second image. We're giving alternative project 2 in case the project 2 image is not display. So paragraph should be HTML&CSS website 2. So this is our work item. So refresh, you will see the second image now. That's the second image. So we have to beautify it using CSS. Subscribe to my channel and also leave a like, share this video, and leave a comment on any area you do not understand. I'll be happy to help. So let's bring on that section. So this section, give it the class name of contacts. So this section is about contact us. So H2 contact me, that's the H2 contact me. Paragraph should be email. The name of Godwin Chris@gmail.com. Another paragraph, phone, that's my number. So you can input your own details here. Input your own image and everything. So my website, www.denmarkegono.com.ng. So refresh. So you should see my contacts now. Okay. So far we have two sections. Now let's go to our CSS to style it. .about, .portfolio, .contact. But we've not talked about, so let's bring a section. So this is what we're talking about, contacts. So I'm looking for about, no about. So let's go to our HTML to write on our about. So that's portfolio, that's contact. There's no about here. So let me delete this. Let's go to our HTML and bring a section which is called about. So after the header, write section, give it a class. The name is about. Then H2, about me. So paragraph, I am a passionate web developer with expertise in HTML, CSS, and responsive design. I love creating visually appealing and user-friendly websites. So that's the paragraph. So refresh, you can see my about me section now. Subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed. So now let's make changes to our about, .portfolio, .contact. So we want to make changes. So the background is white for those three sections. Then the margin should be 20 pixel, padding 20 pixel, border radius should be 10 pixel, box shadow. So we want to put a box around each of them. So 0%, 0%, 10%. Then the color 0,0,0,0,1. So I'm giving this color. So about us, portfolio, contacts. That is what we just make changes to now. So you can see my about me, contact me. You can see that there's a box around it. Okay. So now let's talk about the work item, the images, the work item rather. So the display should be inline block. That means how you should display. So width should be 45%. Margin should be 10 pixel. So that's the work item. So refresh. You can see now the body image is not showing well, right? So let's call on our work item img. So that is the image itself. So width should be 100%. Border radius should be 10 pixel. Refresh. You can see that it's displaying very well now. So if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and also leave a comment and a like. Turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload a video, you won't miss out. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Leave a comment in any area you find difficult. Leave a comment and I'll be happy to help. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Subscribe to my channel.